to our YouTube channel. One of the most common questions we get from customers is about how to keep their shoes clean. So I'm here today to give you a bit of info on that topic. Our shoes are made from a variety of materials, from leather to wool to EVA, so there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to keeping your shoes clean. But one of the best things you can do to keep your shoes looking good and to add to their longevity is to pre-treat them. Pre-treating your shoes means that you should apply a water and stain repellent before your first wear. This provides your shoes with a barrier before they even hit the ground. For this, I recommend some kind of waterproofing spray, like the Terrago Nano Protector. Once applied, water will bead up on the surface of your shoes and fall off. This also allows you to easily wipe away any dirt or grime that your shoes may come in contact with. Be sure to reapply this product regularly if you wear your shoes often. This spray can also be used on other outdoor items, like coats, bags, or tents. We also carry 4 Seasons Weather Guard spray that does the same thing. Nano spray is great on canvas or cloth-like shoes such as Vans or athletic shoes, and Weather Guard is great on leather shoes, leather bags, or leather belts. These sprays not only add water protection to your shoes, but they also help protect against stains that could discolor the upper. With these products and all others, we recommend that when you're applying them to your shoes, you test a small spot on the shoe before applying it all over, because some sprays and creams can darken leather. Pre-treating is just the first step in keeping your shoes clean. Check back soon for additional videos on how to care for your favorite shoes.